Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079473 update on your Windows 11 computer because of any error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. In my case, the scan is already done. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, now click on resume updates. Sometimes pausing and resuming the updates works, so you can try this. If that does not work, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, hit apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, make a right click and then click on restart. And once this is done, find app readiness in the list. So somewhere at the top you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, again click on start if highlighted and then make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart and then you can check. Still not working. Now once you run this, now if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. If that does not work, scroll down, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473 and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command and check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type. Go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option and check your system types. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then you have to click on the update, that is KB5079473. Click on this update and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and make sure that you restart your computer and then check. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option over here, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working? The last step is to use Media Creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation tool, click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on yes to allow, click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected, click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.